Hi guys, today what we're going to see is HTTP wordless attack using a tool called Burp Suite. So what we have to do is first we have to make sure that we configure our network connections. So we go into our system preferences and then we can go to the network connections and we put in manual proxy configuration and we put in the IP address of our computer. And the next thing we have to do is select the target web application that we want to run your that and run it on your Mozilla Firefox. So what you have to do is input at the fields you want to hack. You have to find out which fields you want to hack. So now what we're doing is we're taking the login page. So now I've just entered some basic details for the login. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the HTTP request tabs under the proxy tab in Burp Suite tool, and you have to find that particular post and you have to request to obtain that post. So click on the proxy tab, and then you go to HTTP history. So when you click on that, it goes to the online shopping, the web application that you just logged into, like you just viewed. And there you get in the email and the password I had entered. It shows you the email and the password entered. Now what you have to do is you have to select the intruder. Select to send to intruder. Now you have to put in the host, that is our computer, the host of that website, and you have to select positions. You will configure the position where payloads can be inserted in the base request. Now click on clear dollar symbol, which is visible on the right, and then you select the fields that you want your attack against by highlighting on that particular field and clicking on the add and button. Next, what you have to do is you have to select the attack type that you want to do. So there are 4 different types and I'm using cluster bomb type. Now when we click on load, it asks you for a set of options that you want to do. That is the email text that we have taken. So you have these options and I have set the payload set to 2. So we again reload it, so we click on the password set. So here we have payload count as 8. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the payloads tab in intruder and define your payload sets. So that's what we have done. Now you want to clear the list. Now what you have to do is you have to add. So what you have to do add is the incorrect, saying that it's incorrect. Next, what we do is that's all we do, and we go to the payloads and we start the attack. Now it shows all the various websites, the accounts, usernames and passwords, etc. Now there is a particular mail that we have chosen there, and that shows the email and their password. So we have a list of emails and passwords that are being displayed, which is being shown down in the raw column. Now we can just go and click into the my account and we can try to alter it. So what we do is basically we enter the password and the username that we have found out using the password attack, and once we do that, it just logs into the website, because now we have hacked and we have found out the passwords and the email IDs of other accounts. So this is how password attack is being done. Thank you.